You will be buzzing if this comes up tomorrow. Yes, I'm talking about the food tests practical. It comes up in at least one of the biology exams every single year. Remember, food tests are like the experiments that we do to figure out whether or not a food sample contains a certain type of food. You may be asked how to prepare the food sample, and it's exactly the same for all 4 of the food tests. Crush up your food sample in a pestle and mortar, add distilled water, dissolve all that food stuff into it, and then filter out all the solid residue so you're ready for a good food test with no colour distortion. Then we're on to the food tests. To test for sugar, you use Benedict's solution, and Benedict, starting with a B, is blue. You add it to your food, add some distilled water, put that into a hot water bath to warm it up, and then you'll get a colour change if there is sugar present. Depending on how much sugar is present, that determines which colour it will go. You can have anything from green to yellow to orange. The very best answer, brick red. That's when you've got the most sugar. To test for proteins, you use Biuret's reagent. Again, another chemical starting with a B, so it's a blue chemical. You literally just add this chemical. We normally do it in something like a spotting tile or a test tube, and it will change from blue to lilac, which is a pinky purple. To test for starch, same again, just add your chemical, and we're adding iodine this time. Iodine is an orangey brown colour. If starch is present, it will change it to a blue-black. I would say black in my exam. Then, just in case it comes up, there's also a test for lipids. To do this, you add that food sample that's been prepared to a test tube with ethanol and water. Lipids will dissolve in ethanol, so if you do this, you would go from a colourless clear solution, which is what ethanol and water is, to something that is cloudy white. You could say a cloudy white emulsion is produced. And that right there is all of the food tests. I'd be very surprised if you have no questions whatsoever on that, so make sure you've got that locked in. Don't forget to save this video so you can watch it before your exam. Are there any other topics that are causing you trouble? Let me know in the comments. I'm making science videos from now all the way through to your last exam. Remember to believe in yourself. You've got this. Best of luck tomorrow.